Wilderness Lodge in the back, one lone person in the parking lot besides us. It's time to get in line. Galaxy's Edge opens in a couple hours. All right, it's a little after 5 in the morning.
How are you?
And all of us lunatics are heading right there. Looks like they've let people in. I've watched videos, so the big huge line that was is no more. And apparently they're all lined up on the streets trying to get to Batu. Here we go. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, very cool. Thank you. Hello, how are you? Day one map.
Good morning, folks. Welcome.
Hello, thank you so much.
May the force be with you.
And also with you.
Oh my God, look. Star Tours.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Hydration!
Woo, hydration.
What?
Happy opening day, guys!
Morning, thank you.
Standby line for Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run right up over here against
getting
the
it?
plants. The end of the standby line is going to start over here up against the plants, please, travelers. Good morning, travelers.
All right, so we're walking in Batu for the first time ever. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited. So it's before 6 a.m. when they were supposed to open the place. The line for the Falcon's already 6.5 hours long. That's what you see on my right. And we're in Batu. Are you kidding me? How awesome is this?
No, he does not bite.
What's your little buddy's name?
This is Simon. He's my Kowakian monkey lizard. We have a whole bunch of them. Oh, they're very cool critters.
How does he feel about all these people?
You know, they actually really like the attention. So, he's in heaven right now.
So am I. Thank you.
Now we're back in Oregon.
The cantina.
No.
fully awe-inspiring. Unbelievable. The crowds are massive. The place is spectacular. But the best thing by far is the Falcon. Look at that. Unbelievable. I can't believe I'm here on opening day. Unbelievable.
Resistance activity has been reported. This outpost is under observation. On your way.
Hold right there, please.
Right away, sir.
I've seen your face before. So, you're here on a little R&R. Reconnaissance for the resistance.
For your safety, do not approach the fugitive.
Come with us, please.
Resume recreation. Distress has been neutralized. Remain calm, citizens.
Gonzo, are we in line? What are we in line for?
For the Falcon ride.
We're in line for the Falcon, and look at how fast we're walking, and oh my gosh, I wish I could share this air conditioning with you. Let's go.
Let's go.
You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on, and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Just got off the Falcon. The line is over 6.5 hours long. Single rider opened. Stood in line for about 8 minutes. It was awesome. So anyway, was an engineer with another sweet family. Had a great time. And it's just unbelievable. And I loved it. And now we're back out in Batu. And it's amazing. I think we did well, but I have nothing to compare it to, but I loved it.
Okay. You made some credits, right?
We did, yes.
You did? Okay,
Yes.
good, because you always need credits here.
Well, that's good news.
Honda will come after you if you lose credits.
He doesn't look like somebody to make mad.
No, neither does Chewy, okay?
You're awesome.
Yeah,
Thank you so
have
much.
fun.
Thank you. All right, time to try the Bright Sun's breakfast. Yes, please.
The spider thingies from Rebels.
How much is this? Right, it's a good thing it's asleep. I bet it's really ferocious.
Are you kidding me? Look at that beautiful thing. Wow!
advice. Keep an eye on that one. Enjoy the day. Let's go. We are resuming active recon and leaving this area. Affirmative.
What?
Selfies, I think we're good. Pleasure, man. Enjoy.
Pleasure. Nice meeting you. Enjoy. Enjoy. Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Hold. We have to find those resistance spies. Stay alert. And what are you doing on Batu? I guess all the interesting planets were full. Enjoy your day. Goodbye. Move on. Let's go. All right, move on. Let's cool it down here. Now. Affirmative.
Nothing.